Hey everybody, today I'm taking a look at the Invideo ChatGPT plugin known as Video Maker. It's a plugin that lets you create in ChatGPT and then go over to Invideo to complete a video. So as you can see, we're in a standard ChatGPT interface. If we look up at the title bar, right, you can see I'm at chat.openai.com. We're in the Invideo AI Video Maker. And I have the option to enter some text here to get started creating a video. There's also some buttons to give me a quick start, so I'm using one of those. Let's create a video. So as you can see, I'm prompted to enter information about what I want to create a video about. Here I'm going to go with why puppies are so cute. So Video Maker by Invideo is generating some information about the video, coming up with an audience, a platform, a length, and key points. I can change any of these aspects or continue. So I'm going to go ahead and create this video. We've got a scroll bar. May take a little time here. As this is generating, we're creating information in video, and notice that the first time I have to confirm or accept the connection between Invideo and this plugin. So we're ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and click this link, which will bring me over to Invideo. As you can see, there's also an edit option where we can go and make some changes to this video. There's some options like uploading media and searching for premium stocks. So you could search stock or all. You can also edit the script on this page. So I can make a small change to the script, click apply changes, and then the app is going to take care of it for me. And we're done. So I've got my video there. Note that I could make edits to it using GPT. So I can give a plain text request for something I want to change, like deleting a scene, changing the audio, adding music, etc. And when I'm done, I can publish my video. Again, it takes a little bit of time to render and generate, but overall pretty quick. I have the option to share my video, or once it's ready, I can download it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the final products. As far as options, you can see there's a free option. You can try things out for free. You get a pretty limited amount for $20 a month. You can get the Plus version with 50 minutes per month of AI generation, and a medium amount of iStock and storage. And for $48 a month, you can get 200 minutes of AI generation, 320 minutes.
Ever wondered why puppies are so irresistibly cute? Well, brace yourself for a delightful journey into the world of puppy cuteness. First off, let's talk about those big, sparkling eyes that could melt the coldest of hearts. Biologically speaking, puppies have larger eyes compared to their body size. This feature, known as neoteny, is a trait seen in baby animals, and it's designed to tug at our heartstrings. Evolution has wired us to respond to such characteristics with nurturing behavior. Now, onto that fluffy fur. Puppies are born with a thick, soft coat to keep them warm and protected. But there's more to it than that. This fluffiness also enhances their cuteness factor, making them even more irresistible. But what about their behavior? Those clumsy steps, the playful antics, the innocent curiosity? Puppies are naturally playful and curious, traits that help them learn and grow. This clumsiness and liveliness, while endearing to us, are essential survival skills in the wild. And it's not just about looks and behavior. There's an emotional connection too. Spending time with a puppy can release oxytocin, the so-called love hormone in our brains, making us feel happier and more relaxed. To sum it up, puppies are a perfect storm of cuteness. Their big eyes, fluffy fur, playful demeanor, and the emotional bond they create all add up to make them irresistibly adorable. So, next time you find yourself cooing over a puppy, remember, it's not just their cuteness that's captivating you. It's a complex mix of biology, evolution, and chemistry working its magic. In a world that's often complicated and stressful, puppies offer a simple, pure joy. And that, dear listeners, is the true power of puppy cuteness.